If you want a family hiking trip to be enjoyable, you need to plan everything, from activities to snacks and meals, to make sure you have all the necessary equipment. This is the perfect chance for kids to feel like a part of the team. You should let them carry their own stuff, like their favorite blanket, a rain jacket, or a water bottle. That also means they'll need a bag, but not just any bag will do. What they need is a proper kids hiking backpack. There are many products available to choose from best hiking backpacks for kids, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best hiking backpacks for kids from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Osprey Ace 38 Kids Backpacking Backpack. The Osprey Ace 38 has all the necessary features of a well-designed kids backpack. It's very adjustable, so as your child is growing, they won't outgrow the pack. The airspeed technology back panel allows air to flow through and keeps the air off the child's back. It also helps with proper weight distribution. The shoulder harness has 4 inches of adjustability, so you won't have to get your kid a new hiking backpack whenever they have a growth spurt. The light wire frame transfers weight from the shoulders to the waist, creating balance. Fit-on-the-fly technology also makes the belt expandable by a few inches. This pack has plenty of storage options. Alongside the huge main compartment, there are 3 exterior mesh pockets perfect for separating clothes and such. There's also a stretch mesh hip belt pocket that's great for storing pinnacones and other things kids encounter on the trail. Number 2. Osprey Ace 50 Kids Backpacking Backpack. The Ace 50 is the larger version that has everything the Ace 38 has, plus some extra features. The Ace 50 is designed with 5 inches of torso adjustability, and it's intended for children aged 9 to 14. You can choose from 2 bright colors: Blue Hills and Orange Sunset. This travel backpack features zippered waist belt pockets that offer even more storage space than the mesh pockets found on the Ace 38. These are large enough to hold sunglasses or a flashlight. The Ace 50 has adjustable pole loops, as well as dual side compression straps. These are great for fishing rods as well as trekking poles. Under the lid of the main compartment, there's also a zippered mesh pocket which is great for storing things you need more often. Number 3. Osprey Hydrojet 12 Kids Hydration Backpack. The Hydrojet 12 is a great backpack that works well for both hiking and everyday use. It weighs only 0.84 pounds, but there's enough room for all the hiking essentials a young adventurer needs on hand. Its size makes it great for kids starting from 4 all the way through to 12 years old. There are 2 colors to choose from: Cosmic Red and Wave Blue. The pack features a wide mouth bucket-style main compartment opening. This makes it easy for a child to access and organize their equipment. Externally, it has a stretchy mesh pocket on each side and a large one on the front. These are great for storing things your kid needs close at hand. The shoulder straps are fleece-lined, which makes them very comfortable. The hip belt, on the other hand, isn't padded, but considering your kid won't be carrying heavy equipment, that's not really a big deal. Number 4. Deuter Junior Kids Backpack. The first thing that stands out about this pack from Deuter is the large variety of color choices. We're all well aware that kids can be picky with colors, so this brand made sure to have an option for everyone's taste. Green, pink, blue, you name it. This bag is made specifically for mountaineering, so comfort is a priority. The adjustable S-shaped soft-edge shoulder straps are designed in such a way that they prevent neck straining. The sternum strap prevents the backpack from sliding down the shoulders. This pack doesn't have a waist belt, but considering how lightweight it is, it doesn't really need one. Still, on longer hikes, a hip belt might have made it even more comfortable. The Airstripes back system has 2 contoured air channel pieces of foam covered with mesh. The channel between them provides great airflow. Number 5. Camelback MiniMall Kids Hydration Backpack. If you want a backpack that's proven to be excellent, go with the MiniMall. It's an awesome hydration pack, and even the kids' version of it has some grown-up features. The MOL backpack is small and lightweight, so perfect for really young kids. Its back panel is heavily padded and covered with breathable mesh, so your little ones can stay comfortable even on hot days. And there's the sternum strap that will ensure the pack stays put on them great if your kids fidget around a lot and you're worried about the shoulder straps falling off. This kid's backpack doesn't have a huge capacity. It has a hydration bladder compartment that fits the 1.5-liter Crux reservoir and an extra zippered compartment on the front. It features a stretchy front pocket, which is great for putting away a spare layer of clothing. This ensures that neither you nor they have to carry a jacket in their hands while you're all hiking, so it's pretty convenient. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.